praises Aurangzeb or insults Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, that person has no place in India or in Maharashtra. Especially, we hope and we believe that when BJP is governing, such a statement shouldn't have been ever made. Now that it has been made, let me also tell you the truth that Abu Azmi is the B team of BJP. Every time BJP comes into trouble in Maharashtra, they activate Abu Azmi. That's what happened in the last session. If you remember, I had exposed the same thing. I had said that Abu Azmi is the B team of BJP. This time also, because we were raising the issue of Koratkar and Solapurkar, who have insulted Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, we also raised the issue of Mr. Koshyari, who was the then governor who insulted Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, Mahatma Jyotiba Phule and Savitribai Phule. That is why Abu Azmi has been activated. As with regards to the grave of some king from 17 whatever or 300 years ago, the BJP is in government in the center, the BJP is in government in the state. Let them take a call. But what about the grave crisis of unemployment today? The Sensex has seen a bloodbath. Let's also discuss that. Let's not stop any demolition. Do that 100%. But what about the demolition of our share market today? What about the demolition of jobs today? Who's talking about the law and order situation today? The BJP came into trouble in Maharashtra, which is why they activated Abu Azmi only and only because Dhananjay Munde had to resign over terrible photos that we saw, the video that we saw. So the BJP also has to answer this even today. So we were asking for Abu Azmi suspension yesterday. They took one entire day because they wanted to run politics on that. And they have not yet spoken a word on Koratkar and Solapurkar only and only because they belong to the BJP. They haven't spoken a word on Koshyari, who's also insulted Chhatrapati Shivaji. Why? They should speak about that.
But Abu Azmi saying that is the A team of BJP, so he's also questioning us. Wait.
देखिए, एक ही मैं बात कहना चाहता हूँ. पहली बात यही है कि केंद्र में भी भाजपा के शासन है, राज्य में भी भाजपा के शासन है, तो कौन रोक रहा है? सबसे अहम बात यही है कि ये सारी बातें होने पर अभी कहीं ना कहीं चलो जो कार्रवाई करनी कीजिए, लेकिन जो सेंसेक्स में ब्लड बात हुआ है उस पर भी बात कीजिए. आज जो हमारे महाराष्ट्र में आप देख रहे हो कानून की जो स्थिति है, फिर वो बीड़ की मर्डर हो, परभणी की हो, या फिर आज जो घटना हुई है, ये सारी घटनाएं, यानी एक तो एमओएस कहते हैं कि रेप शांति में हुआ, कोई कुछ चिल्लाया नहीं इसलिए हो गया. ऐसे कैसे बातें हो सकती है? ये असंवेदनशील बातें हैं.
The CM is saying that Nehru was the person who was insulting Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj.
I think time and again the BJP seeks to go into history. Nehru also apologized for that. Nehru withdrew those passages from the book. Having said that, Nehru lived how many years ago? Why is the CM not speaking about the photos that came out yesterday? Why is the CM not speaking about whether he had those photos of the gruesome murder in Bid on the day that these photos came out? How did he get it yesterday? Why is the CM not speaking about that? Why is the CM not speaking about the failure of his own department, of his home department? Every time to go and seek refuge in history is an old take of the BJP. Whoever may be wrong, Whoever's probably right is right. Speak about today. How much are we going to spend our time in history?